In this video, we are going to see how we can populate data from master sheet to multiple sheets automatically using filter function or formula. The basic reason is whenever we add new record to the master sheet, it should auto-populate in other sheets. We have a data range here with salesperson, company, product, sales, bottom line, billing, and year. What we need to do is we need to create different sheets based on the salesperson and then populate the data in those salesperson sheets. For example, we have to populate Sonal's data in Sonal's sheet. So first of all, let's create new sheets based on the salesperson. To get all the salesperson list, we will copy the salesperson column and paste it in a new column. Now select the column, go to Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. So our header is salesperson and click OK. So all the duplicate data has been removed and we are left with the unique values. Now let's create new sheets with these names. So there are 4 names. We'll create new 4 sheets. So that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. So we'll put the names over here in the sheet names. So we have all the sheets ready now. We'll format all the new sheets similar to the master sheet. We can either format the sheets one by one or select all the sheets and do the formatting so that the same format is applied in all the sheets. So we'll select all the sheets. We can press Ctrl while selecting all the sheets. Change zero height to 25. So we need to copy this header in all the sheets. So we'll just select the headers, copy. We'll again select all the sheets by pressing Ctrl. We'll not simply paste it. We'll go to Paste Special and we'll click on Keep Source Column Widths so that the same column width is applied in all the sheets which is there in the sales data. We'll apply some borders to the rows. So when we are done with the formatting, now let's populate the data using the filter function over here. So before that, we'll go to the sales data and we'll convert this data range into a table. So you can click anywhere in the table, press Ctrl A, Ctrl T. You need to make sure that my table has headers and we click OK. So our data range will be converted into the table. So let's go back to the sheet of Alex and we'll use the filter formula to populate all the data from the master sheet. So we'll type equal to filter the array. So the array will be the sales data. We'll select all the data from the table, comma, include. For include, it will be, we need to populate the data based on the salesperson. So we'll select the salesperson column equal to, we need to populate the data of Alex. So I'll type Alex here, close the bracket, and if you press enter, you will get, or you'll populate all the data of Alex from the master sheet. I'll do some more formatting over here. I need to put them in center aligned so that it looks nice. Okay. So we'll populate the data for James. Again, we'll use the same filter formula. For the array, we'll select the table from the master sheet, comma, include. So include will be the salesperson name equal to James. Close the bracket and press enter. And all the data of James will be populated here from the master sheet. Similarly, we'll do for other two sheets for Sonal and Suresh. For array, we'll select the data table, and for include, again we'll have to select the salesperson column equal to Sonal. Close the bracket and press enter, and you get all the data of Sonal. Same way we'll do it for Suresh. For array, we'll select the table, comma, include will be the salesperson name, so we need Suresh here. Close the bracket and press enter. So you'll get all the data of Suresh. So we populated all the data of Alex, James, Sonal and Suresh from the main master sheet. Now let's add one record here for Alex or Sonal, and we'll check whether in the sheet it is getting reflected or not, or whether it is getting populated or not. So I'll add one data here. So add one record, Alex. So we have added one record here. We'll go to Alex sheet and we'll see whether this particular row has been added in that sheet or not. So you can see what the data which we added in the master sheet has been reflected here, the same amount and the same data. So Sonal has got 31 rows. Let's add one record for Sonal in the master sheet. So we are using Sterling, Coach, HP. So we'll go to this sheet of Sonal and we'll check whether this record has been added in that sheet automatically. So there were 31 records, and you can see that 32nd record has been added with the same data which we added in the master sheet. This is how we can add uh, different sheets, or we can fetch the data from the master sheet and we can automatically transfer them to the multiple sheets using the filter formula. And because it is dynamic, I can even change the name in the formula itself. Suppose I change from Alex to Sonal, I'll get the data of Sonal in this sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet, and I'll catch you in the next video.